Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the McLaren 570S that we've been working on. This video is basically going to be focusing on the Cheetah 550 system. A phenomenal bit of kit. We use it in our own demo car. We absolutely love it. Basically, there's quite a few speed camera detectors out there in the market. Our go-to is the Cheetah 550. We've compared it alongside the likes of Road Angel and a couple of the other brands that are out there. Road Angel is probably one of the main ones. They've just released their new Road Angel Pure. But basically the Cheetah 550 is a bit more of a discreet looking unit. The main thing with this is the main key difference between the Road Angel Pure and the Cheetah 550 is that you do have to do your updates yourself. We've timed this with a customer doing it. First time doing it, it took 10 minutes for a customer to do it. We run you through how to do it anyway. But it's a really easy solution. Basically, you take it out of the vehicle, the little unit, which we'll show you in a second. You pop it onto your laptop, you plug it in, and it does its update. It's really easy. It's quite a simple thing. This needs to be done once every month, once every 2 months, whenever it warns you that it needs an update. Like products that have been in the past, when it needs an update, it still works, unlike other products. So you can still carry on as you need to. If you're on a trip and it wants an update, don't worry about it. It just means that you haven't got the latest stuff on there. When you get home, you can pop that all on. So a really cool solution. The best thing about this system is the sort of dark mode that it has. The dark mode is what we set up all of our Cheetah 550s to. Basically what it means, as you're driving along, you get a clear screen. So there's no glaring lights or anything like that on the dashboard. It's a very small blue LED light. What this basically means is that as you're approaching a camera, or red light camera, or for whoever is picking up for that matter, what it does, it goes then bright and gives you all the information you need by an audible and a visual tone. So really catches your eye, and that was our main thing and why we love this system. Because other systems out there, they're sort of on continuous, and in our eyes you sort of just tend to forget about it. I don't know if you guys, if you've got a Road Angel or other similar products, you may have seen that you might just not be paying all your attention to it, and when the camera comes it's a bit too late. This system really does catch your eye. It's really effective. So also one of our key things, and with all our installs here, we like stuff to be as discreet as possible. So this is a really nice looking solution. What I'll do is I'll just show you the system. It can practically go into any vehicle, and it all gets hardwired in, so there's no real visible cables anywhere. So what I'll do is I'll talk you through that now. So this is the stunning McLaren 570S that we've had in. So the unit is just on the top of the dash, which is just up there. So a really neat solution. It's got 3 buttons on it. It's got power going into the back of it. It goes on a magnetic mount, so there's no damage to your dashboard at all. Also comes with a glass mounted option as well, but we really do prefer the dash mounted one. So for more details on this system, feel free to get in touch with us. Contact number 01223 56 30 30. I'll drop all our websites below. We've actually got a specific page on our website for this product as well, so check that out. You can have all the tech specs as well from there. So thank you very much for watching our short video. We're really proud to be working on such cars like this. If you have any car, we don't just work on supercars, we work on a bit of everything. Earlier we're working on a coach, and then we move on to a McLaren, so it's a real mixture. Get in contact with us and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.